Welcome to SimpleCertifiedMail.com. This video tutorial will show you how to add an additional bank account, credit card, or debit card, how to make changes to an existing payment account, and how to assign a group to a specific payment account. To add a new account, from the Management menu, select Payments Manager. In this example, we are currently paying for the service via a Citibank checking account, which is, by default, the primary account. It's important to note that if you plan to transfer your existing balance from an existing account to a newly added account, and then delete the existing account, you should contact Client Services, as this change cannot be made without assistance. To add a bank account, click the Add Bank Account button. You will see there are two steps. In Step 1, add your account information. Enter your bank routing number and account number. By the way, the routing and account numbers can be found at the bottom of any check issued for that account by the bank. Next, fill in the account holder's name and address. Finally, the email field lets you add another person besides the account administrator to receive the monthly statement of service. If you don't need to add another person, you can leave this field blank. Step 2 is where you determine the amount you expect to spend on postage and service fees during an average month. The minimum standard balance is $60. In this example, we'll use $100. The refill point and refill amount are set automatically. If you agree with the amounts shown, check the box to confirm the terms and click Save. This initiates the charge to the bank account. You will receive an email confirming the charge once it's complete. Adding a credit or debit card is similar to adding a bank account. First, click the Add a Card button. Enter a name for the card in the Account Name field. Enter the cardholder's name as it appears on the card. Next, enter the credit or debit card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the billing address for the card. And finally, the email field lets you add another person besides the account administrator to receive the monthly statement of service. If you don't need to add another person, you can leave this field blank. Step 2 is where you determine the amount you expect to spend on postage and service fees during an average month using this card. The minimum standard balance is $60. In this example, we'll use $100. The refill point and refill amount are set automatically. If you agree with the amounts shown, check the box to confirm the terms and click Save. This initiates the charge to the card. You'll receive an email confirming the charge once it's complete. Now let's look at options for editing payment information. If you need to make changes to any of the accounts you've added, click the Actions link on the Payments Manager screen. Set Purchase Levels lets you change the standard balance if you find your average number of mail pieces is increasing or decreasing over time. Edit Name and Email is where you change the name used to identify the bank account, credit, or debit card. For example, you might decide to use the name Citi Checking in place of Citibank. This is also where you enter an email for someone in the organization who you would like to receive the monthly statement of service in addition to the account administrator. The field can be left blank. Buy Postage lets you preload your account with extra funds. This is very helpful if you're planning on sending a large number of mail pieces. This avoids an interruption in service while waiting for the ACH or credit or debit card to process. Buying additional postage does not change the standard account balance. View Transactions shows a list of your account refills in the current month. Set as Primary Account is where you change which bank account, credit, or debit card is set as your primary account for payments. Finally, Delete Account is where you delete a bank account, credit, or debit card. If the bank account or card is currently set as your primary account, you will be prompted to assign a different primary account before deleting the account. This is important because if you have more than one group of users tied to the primary account, you'll want all of those groups and users to be switched to the new primary account. To move a balance from one account to another, please contact SimpleCertifiedMail.com Client Services. The Groups feature allows you to connect specific groups to one of the bank, credit, or debit card accounts you have added to your account. From the Management menu item, select Group Administration. To add a specific payment account to a group, click the Edit link. The resulting screen shows the group details. In the Account drop-down, you'll see the bank and card accounts you've added. Select the proper account and click Save. That's it. Now you know how to use the Payments Manager. Thank you for choosing SimpleCertifiedMail.com. If you have any questions about the Payments Manager, please reach out via our website or give us a call at 888-462-1750, extension 1. This information is also available in the Account Administrator's Manual located on our website at SimpleCertifiedMail.com/manuals.